Hi everyone. I hope everyone's enjoying their holiday break. This time of year, things get a little crazy, and this is where we get the flus, the colds, and all the sniffles and all the other cruds of the world. And I want to talk about a couple things that I've been hearing from parents and from some of our teachers, and I'm just trying to maybe talk about them and address them and get ourselves ready for when we come back after our holiday break. First and foremost, a big shout out to all of our custodians. We're very short-handed here, especially at Lynch-Buston Elementary. We're looking to staff up, and we're constantly looking for people. So if you're interested, we are taking applications for custodians for all of our buildings, especially Lynch-Buston Elementary and Harlan Row Middle School. So you can find that employment tab on our district webpage. Second thing, there's been some discussion about Clorox Wipes. And let's just be clear about that. The district has never purchased Clorox Wipes because it's not part of our MSDS listing. And that's because there are some things on there that have harmful chemicals, so we can't list them due to liability issues. And I know they've been put on teacher supply lists, but I've asked teachers to not let students use Clorox Wipes. That doesn't mean teachers can use them on any surface they need or think they need to be used with reason. But also understanding that parents have a right to be a partner with us with what their children can be exposed to. So if you want your child to use a microfiber cloth or not be exposed to Clorox Wipes, just communicate that with your teacher. We tried to send a form home earlier this year. Just make sure that you have that communication with your teacher. During the day, we have lots of other alternative cleaning products as well. We have Spic and Span, which is a very safe material. We have soapy water and buckets. I just want to make sure people know that we do have opportunities to clean. At nighttime, our custodians are cleaning the rooms and cleaning the spaces, and also our teachers are helping during our time of being short-handed, so I really appreciate them. Just so everybody is aware, our cleaning products have been the same cleaning products we used during COVID. God forbid I bring COVID up again. I've been trying to forget that for the last few years. Also, we have bipolar ionization units on all of our ventilation systems that capture and kill all the airborne bacteria. And also, we've upgraded our HEPA filtering system as well during that time period. So we are doing our part. Some of the crud is just unavoidable. Sickness happens in the wintertime, but we're doing our best to keep it to a minimum. And I just wanted to clear the air, and I do think that there was some communication that I sent out that may have caused some confusion, and I have now communicated a change to that to my staff so that we can move forward. But we always want to say that parents, we want you as partners in this process. So if you feel that you do not want your child exposed to Clorox Wipes or other types of harmful chemicals, you just let your teacher know. They'll make that accommodation the best they can. But our goal is to have a healthy and safe learning environment during the winter seasons, especially when flus and colds and all the other things really ramp up. So with that being said, I hope everybody has a great break, and I look forward to seeing everyone back here on January 6th. Thank you.